Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are well and safe. And if you're new in this channel, my name is Karina Islam and I'm a fashion student. And throughout my channel, you're gonna see videos about textile design, art, sewing, and a lot more. And I would be really happy if you take one moment to subscribe my channel below. If you have left some white edges, remember to not put in a top of some other colorful images or anything drawings, because you can see that's not been cut properly. So but if you leave in a white background, you will not see, so be careful with that. So I might like that. So I put some pieces of fabric, which you can see are different shapes and different sizes as well, which also represent the like human body structure. Like everybody have their own shape and size and all that. So because just to like connect with my subject, and yeah, they're all like same different shapes and all. This side is more like nude colors, and this is more like a brown, as I already told you. So also the fabric pieces, I try to like somehow like divide them. The acrylic paint give you more volume on your drawings, and I think it's more give a more effective look. More than watercolor is more like plain. So that's why I thought to use this one. I'm gonna try to make some skin tone color with this. So yeah. There's a very big reason why I did this thing. I think I'm gonna draw like a face and something like that, but also the reason I mix the color is just to portray different skin tone of people. And I think that was like I thought this could be a good technique to show that. And yeah, this like you can see the dark skin, light skin, and all that mix. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and after that I am going to draw something on top of that. Okay, it's dry now. So what I'm gonna do first, I actually cut this this piece, which is acetate, I think what you call acetate paper. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a black permanent marker, which is actually a very thin And yeah, what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna trace one face from this board. You can also maybe choose some other face or anything else, but because I'm gonna make a face now, so I thought to use just something which is already on the board. I thought maybe to use this one, but because it doesn't have any hair, I thought to not do it. I think right now I will go with something with the hair, so I might choose this picture here. So I'm just gonna trace very carefully, place the paper, and then you can put some tape as well if you think it's gonna move, but I'm just gonna do without. It's not bad. I think I'm just going I'm just gonna trace again because the lines are not darker enough. Think that I'm just gonna stick this down, and yeah, that's it. At the beginning, um, I thought to do in a landscape my portfolio, but I actually I was not liking it. Like I was not really happy with the result because I haven't stick anything down yet. So actually that's the reason why I don't stick things at like in the first time. I tried to experiment a little bit and then I do it. And also I think the title might look better on the side. So I'm gonna do a portrait mood board and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I already did this artwork here, but I think it's fine. I will manage somehow to move this on a portrait way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. So I stick all the pictures and everything down. I did some changes and all that, but it's fine. One thing which I add in the end is this is masking tape, and what I'm gonna do, I just stick down this like very messy, very messy way, because masking tape is kind of like give like a paper feel, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint on top of this, and it's gonna create like a good effect. So I'm gonna paint this and then I'm gonna show you how this gonna look like. So you can see I have to still leave this to make it dry, and yeah, maybe it's not looking really great right now because the color is gonna change after a while. When it's gonna dry, you will see that the color will completely change, and yeah, and I'm gonna show you the result after it's dry. I think it's giving you like a good effect. It just go really well with my concept, so yeah, I am quite happy with the result.